Namaste everyone. If you're looking for any solution for your stress headache or you feel stressed all the time and anxious and you're looking for a solution in acupressure therapy, in yoga therapy, in mudra therapy, then this video is for you. So let me start this video with the one yoga breathing which you can do anytime, anywhere in the stressful situation, and also I'm going to give you a few acupressure point to press on daily basis and one mudra which you can do anytime anywhere to have a calmness of your mind. So first let me talk about the breathing. The breathing which I'm going to give you is, we call it Ujjayi breath or ocean breath. This is a very powerful breath. Just by doing 5 rounds will give you lot of relaxation. Even if you're in office and you feel so much stressed all the time, then just 2 to 3 minutes do this breathing and you will find lot of relaxation after doing this breathing. So how to do this breathing? So the mudra which I'm going to give you is this mudra, which we call it Gyan mudra or the mudra of wisdom. So if you combine these 2 points, which balances your Agni or fire and the air element in the body, which makes you calm instantly. So forming this mudra in both the hands, you can start breathing slowly. And when you breathe out, you make a sound, the hissing sound through your throat. I will show you now. Try to exhale 6 to 8 seconds. Then again inhale slowly. Take a slow inhalation and then exhale through your throat sound. Again take a deep breath. You can try inhaling through the throat as well with the sound. So like this, you can do this breathing anytime, anywhere. Even if you adopt this breathing while walking, while talking, while driving, you will have lot of benefit. Just 5 rounds of this breathing where you inhale with the contraction of your glottis part in the throat and with little hissing sound like baby snores, and you exhale also same way with longer exhalation and longer inhalation, then you will see lot of benefit of this breathing. Also, I have shared one video which Shanmukhi Mudra with Brahmari Pranayama, that also can be added for the reduction of your stress levels. So this is the breathing part, and you can do one acupressure point which is miraculous, which we call it pituitary gland point, or this is a master gland point. So I have already marked this point in my hand, you see on my thumb. So if you are a female, do this on your right hand. If you're a male, do it on your left hand, or you can do in both the hands. So what you need to do, you need to mark this point and stimulate this point with the help of any acupressure tool, or just take a pencil which is not sharp and stimulate this point for a while. Just warm this point. So this can be done in the night time, because I'm going to give you seed therapy after this, which can be very good to do in the night time. So after just massaging this point, you take a paper tape and stick one lentil seed. This is green lentil seed, and this has a white dot on the seed, which we call it mouth of the seed. So mouth of the seed should touch to your acupressure point. So you're going to just put this seed on this point, which is your pituitary gland point. Like this, you will put it in the night on this point. And also I'm going to give you one more point of the adrenal gland, which produces the stress hormone. So it's very important to give pressure on the adrenal gland point. So you can take your hand, and as I suggested, if you're a male, do use your left hand. So in the left hand, you just see this part of the index finger. On the index finger, you just mark 2 points like this. Little below the center, you just mark 2 points like this, and with the help of any acupressure tool or the simply with the help of any pen, you can just give a gentle massage on these points like this. These are the adrenal gland points for the stress reduction. And after massaging this point, you can put some seeds like this only. So on the paper tape, you stick 2 seeds. It can be lentil seeds or fenugreek seeds or any seed you can take and stick on this particular point. So 2 seeds on this point. So 2 seeds on this point, 2 seeds on this point, you stick like this and leave it overnight. This will help you to reduce your stress hormone. And also, due to stress, you feel high blood pressure, you feel anxious all the time. This will take care of that problem as well. And along with this acupressure therapy and breathing practices, I would suggest you to keep a smile on your face, because our mind doesn't know that we are happy or not, but mind can recognize only smile. So even if you don't feel like smiling, keep a smile on your face to have a reduction in your stress level instantly. You can just simply close your eyes and smile for a minute, and believe me, you will have a release of happy hormones by just doing this for a minute, and you will feel very good. I have already posted many videos on stress topic, so do find the link in the description. That's it for now. If you're looking for any course, then do find the details in the description as well. Thank you everyone.